everyone, my name is Joy.
And I am Tim.
And today we're making some Langka Jam.
Or Jackfruit Jam, as Americans call it.
Stay tuned! First thing we need is Langka, which is jackfruit. We're gonna need 5 cups of this. Next thing we need is sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar, but I'm going to use 2 cups of this white sugar. You're so sweet. I'm going to use this for water, 1 cup water. And the last thing we need is lemon. We're just gonna need a little bit of this lemon, 1 teaspoon. Ready? First thing we need to do is we need to cut this langka, this jackfruit, in tiny strip. Tiny? Is that right? Tiny. While I'm cutting this, I can tell you a little story about when I'm growing up. I grew up with this when I was, maybe a little. Is that right?
Yeah, a little kid.
A little kid. And my parents have their own jackfruit tree. Yes, and every time we have jackfruit, we are so excited. We are so excited until get, ripe and ready to eat. So my dad is the one in charge to cut the langka and give it to me and to my brother and to my other sisters, of course. So we're not gonna be fighting like cat and dog. So my dad is making sure that we have enough for everyone. And while you guys cutting this up, you can sing, you can, something to make you guys busy. Just don't cut yourself. So let's sing! Oh my god, I know what we can sing now. Mahal?
No, what?
Ooh, you're gonna like this one.
Okay.
We can sing the Alimango sa dagat. Oh, hi!
Oh, hey!
Alright, ready guys? Tong tong tong.
Pakitong kitong alimango sa dagat, malaki at mataba,
mahirap pulihin
sapagat mga nagat.
So guys, that's a very, very weird song. But, oh well. Hey! Sometimes when you cook, you need to sing, That way, when you're making some food and everything like that, it's gonna be like, tastes good. It came from your heart. So, a lot of people are confused about durian and jackfruit. Jackfruit and durian are totally different smell. Jackfruit is smell very sweet, and durian is smell, you're not gonna like it. Is the last one. Bam! Bam! Okay, I just finished cutting all this up and it's take forever to cut all this, but it looks good. Okay, ready? Let's cook this langka. So first thing what we need to do is we're gonna put this over here. All the langka. So we're gonna put the 2 cups of sugar. And this is gonna be probably sweet. And we need to put the 1 cup water. Ooh, yeah! There you go. We're just gonna need to boil this for 45 minutes. At least I can use my magazine that I never order. This is not interesting. Hi. I think that's it. That's it. Okay, it's time for sour time. Ready, set, go. Woohoo! No, it's time to put it in the jar. So the Langka Jam is getting thicker, so it's time to put in the jar. Come on, baby. It's time for the jar. It's jar time. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's so thick.
Ooh. It's so thick. Okay guys, who want one of this jar? If you guys make this Langka Jam, comment below, let us know what's happened. If it's turned good, it's turned to fabulous. This is the best thing to do. Oh, diba? Mapapasayaw ka sa sarap. So we just finished making this Langka Jam.
Langka, which is jackfruit jam.
Yes. So this is the finished product with the bread. Show it to them, mahal.
And this is the jar of Langka. It's blurry, but it is Langka.
Yes. So we already put in the toast.
Right? We already spread it on the bread, and we're
Yes.
gonna taste test it right now. Because this is my first time. I have not actually tasted this yet.
Yes.
So this is gonna be my first time tasting Langka Jam.
Yep.
You ready?
Yeah.
It looks really thick.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's try it.
Let's try it.
Cheers.
Where do you smell it?
I smell everything before you eat it.
You smell.
No,
It smells really sweet.
it does smell sweet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but if you put in the bread, actually it's not that too sweet, yeah?
It's not too sweet. No, it is sweet, but it's not like super sweet.
Yes, guys. But it tastes good. Do you think so?
It tastes. I mean, I've never had jackfruit jam before, but it tastes like jam, like regular jam from the store. Yeah,
That's good.
yeah, this would be really good on. Do you hear the gecko? Hey guys, it's really late at night. We've been making this all afternoon.
Yeah.
It took a long time to make, a long time to boil. So this is really good.
Yeah. So this, guys, I think I'm gonna eat this for breakfast when I get home from work.
Yeah,
Put on my toast and after that go sleep.
it'd be really good with Hawaiian bread,
Yes, Hawaiian bread. Yeah, sliced bread.
sliced bread,
Yeah, I think I will try to use crackers too. You think so?
crackers for sure.
I never try it, but hey, we can try it. You know.
It's thick enough for crackers. It's not goopy. Look, guys, look. I want to show you how thick this is. Okay, watch. So this is the jam that she made. We have 2 of these. Watch this. Ready? It is.
Oh my God! Be careful.
It's not coming out.
Don't drip it.
It's not coming out of there. Look, it's not even moving. It is so thick. You saw how watery it was in the pan, in the pot. Look at this. It doesn't come out. It doesn't even move. This is real, and it's so sweet. I like this a lot. Is this your first time making this?
Yes, this is the first time. This is our first try to make this.
And I would say this is a success.
I think so. It's a success, right?
I think so. Yeah, this is good. So this, guys, this will last probably
A month, 3 months.
a couple months in the fridge.
Months, yeah.
Just make sure we have these mason jars. I dropped one. We have these mason jars, so it just closes really tight, and then you can put it in the fridge.
Damn.
So this will last a long time in the refrigerator.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, I like it.
I think this is gonna be my favorite breakfast for now.
Probably for a long time because we have 2 of these. We have 2 of these things.
And plus, I love sweet.
She doesn't love sweets. That's why she likes me. Shout out to Aaron, Jacob,
And Kaylee, we missed you guys.
We missed you and we can't wait to see you again.
Yes, and shout out to my old coworkers from SM Olongapo. Hi.
Also to our other friends, Gina.
And Rose. And last is Marlene. Marlene have YouTube channel also. And
That is
is
Panay Food Trip.
yes, you can check out her YouTube. She also cooks a lot of foods.
A lot, yeah, she's a lot of cooks.
Yes. Yes.
A lot of cooking.
Yeah. Yes, hello guys. We miss you during this quarantine.
Yeah,
After all this, we can hang out again.
Yeah, we haven't seen you in a long time.
Yes.
So whenever this quarantine is over, we will
Yes.
see you again. We'll have some drinks and we'll have some Langka. We'll have some Langka Jam.
Party.
That's right.
Yes.
Thank you for watching. Alright guys, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you like our videos,
Please push like and subscribe on our channel. And then push the bell, and that will let you know that we have a new video coming out.
yep,
And we will look forward to seeing you later.
for next video.
Next
Thank you,
video.
guys. Bye.
Bye!
More ticker, more yummier. Oh, wow. There are today.
You want to know what else is super sweet? You put it on your nose.
What?